In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow tasks in Zoho Projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep track of the work that matters most to you without changing who owns the task or cluttering your inbox with unnecessary updates. Start by opening the project where the task lives, then head to the Tasks tab. This tab is your central hub for everything task-related in that project. If your project has multiple views, choose the one you're most comfortable with: List, Kanban, or another view, since the option to follow a task will be available once you open the task details. Next, click the task name you want to follow. This opens the task details pane, usually on the right side of your screen. In this pane, you'll see key information like the assignee, due date, status, and any comments or attachments. This is also where you'll manage notifications for that specific task. Look to the top right corner of the task details pane and click the three-dot icon. This is the Overflow or More Options menu, and it's where Zoho Projects groups less frequently used actions. On smaller screens, it might appear as a vertical set of three dots. If you don't see it at first, try expanding the pane or widening your browser window. From that menu, click Follow. Following a task means you'll receive updates when something important happens, such as status changes, new comments, or edits, depending on your notification settings. It's a great way to stay informed without needing to be the owner or assignee. If you prefer fewer alerts, you can fine-tune your notification preferences in your profile settings later. After you click Follow, you'll see a clear indication that you're now following the task. This might appear as a following label, a highlighted icon, or a visual change in the menu option. That confirmation lets you know you're set. If you ever want to stop receiving updates, open the same menu and select Unfollow. The indicator will revert to its original state. A few quick tips to help you work smarter. If the follow option doesn't appear, make sure you have the necessary project permissions or that you're viewing the full task details pane. If you're following several tasks, it's helpful to review your notification settings so the most important updates surface first. And if you use the mobile app, the process is similar. Open the task, tap the menu, and choose Follow. That's it. You've learned how to follow tasks in Zoho Projects and keep your work streamlined and visible.